there is a way to earn a consistent income in the crypto market 100% passively. It is completely risk-free and you don't need any experience to do it. You don't need to know how to trade, you don't need to know which coins to buy, you actually don't need to buy anything. Now the thing is that this works right now, it's not gonna work forever. So if you wanna take advantage of it, I suggest you watch this video until the very end, because I'm gonna give you a step-by-step process on how to do this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on the Binance exchange. Keep in mind that you can do it on the other exchanges as well, but if I start showing you how to do it on every single exchange, right, we're gonna stay here forever and we can't do that. So I'm gonna show you how to do it on Binance. And if you don't have a Binance account, that's fine, just watch this video, you're gonna see how simple it is. You're gonna be able to replicate the same thing on the exchange that you are using. Okay, so to understand why this method works right now, you have to understand what is going on in the crypto market. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from pretty much $40,000 to $70,000 in the matter of weeks, and because Bitcoin and the crypto market in general is going up a lot, people are borrowing money in order to either trade, to basically buy and sell cryptocurrency short term, or to hodl, basically to buy and hold over a little bit of a longer term. And since there is a lot of demand for stable coins, for basically USDT, which is the equivalent of a US dollar, the interest rates on these stable coins are very high. So you can see that if you want to borrow USDT, the flexible rate is 30% a year, the 7-day stable rate is 58% a year, and the 30-day stable rate is almost 78% a year. And again, this is happening because there is a lot of demand right now. People are borrowing as much as they can because the market is going up, they want to capitalize on that, they want to apply leverage, and they want to make money. Now, this is something that you should not do unless you have plenty of experience, because yes, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. The method that I'm going to show you, like I mentioned in the very beginning, is risk-free. So what is this method? Well, since there is a lot of demand for USDT, exchanges want to incentivize us to actually keep our money with them so they can lend it to people and earn interest, right? That's basically what banks do. When you deposit your money into a bank, they give it to someone else as a credit, right? They are lending it to other people, and that's how they earn money, right? They pocket the difference. They pay you a percentage interest and they earn a percentage interest, right? And they take advantage of the difference. Now, what banks do is they normally charge big percentage on their loans, but they actually give you a very tiny percentage, usually less than 1% on your deposits. Crypto exchanges are not so greedy, at least not yet. They normally give you a generous percentage. What's important for you to know that these percentages are flexible. They are changing all the time. Just 2-3 days ago, this percentage was between 24 and 27. At the moment, it is lower because Bitcoin actually had a pullback, so the demand for USDT went down. But very soon, Bitcoin will continue its way up and the whole crypto market, right? And this percentage will go up again. It will very likely go to where it was, 24 to 27%. And that means you can deposit your fiat money, doesn't matter if it's US dollar, euro, whatever, right? You can deposit this to a crypto exchange and earn between 20 and 30% interest on the amount without really taking any risk, because you are not buying altcoins, you are not trading, you are not doing anything, you are just keeping your fiat money on the exchange in order to earn interest. Actually, I added here $5,300 a couple of weeks ago just to show you how this works. You can see that so far I earned $84. If we actually go to the analysis to see the details, you can see that I'm earning $3 a day, more or less. So for example, you can see here that on March 11, $3, $3.43, $3.43, $3.56, right? $3.11. So I'm earning $3 to $4 a day on $5,300 capital. So I actually bring the good old calculator here to do the math, right? $3 divided by $5,300 times 100, I am earning 0.05% per day on my money here. And this, by the way, is another big difference between banks and crypto exchanges. Banks don't pay you your interest daily. I mean, they normally don't pay you any interest, but even if they pay you interest, they don't do it daily. And in many cases, you don't have access to your money are locked, right? So you cannot just withdraw it. Exchanges pay you daily and you can withdraw your money at any time. So for example, at the moment, I'm getting paid like 0.05% a day, which for 30 days is like 1.7%, so I'm earning almost 2% per month on whatever amount of money I put here, right? 12 months, that's like 20% on average. So for these 2 weeks that I've been keeping my money here, I'm earning on average 20% annualized interest, right? Obviously this is a very small amount, right? But you have to look at the percentages, because if I add 1 0 here, if I actually add $50,000 here, I'm gonna be earning $30 a day, which is gonna be $1,000 a month. And earning $1,000 a month without without doing anything is not bad at all, right? And not with only without earning anything, but without really taking any risk, because I'm not trading, I'm not buying cryptocurrencies, right? I'm holding USDT, which is equivalent to US dollar, and I'm earning. I can get my money out anytime I want, and I can add more money anytime I want as well. It's all done with a few clicks of a button, right? So wherever you deposit money to Binance, it goes to your spot wallet, right? All you have to do is to actually move it from your spot wallet to your earn wallet, and you're gonna start earning interest right away. Is this the best way to make money in the crypto market? Well, it depends, right? If you are a complete beginner and you wanna earn risk-free while you are learning how to trade, then this is the way to start, right? But if you wanna make a lot of money, well, you should look into trading, right? Because you have a lot higher returns on your capital. That's why I have just $5,000 here. 99% of my capital is locked into trades right now. But I've been doing this for a while. I've been doing this full-time for 7 years. I mean trading. I've been trading for 7 years so far. So I have a lot of experience. If you don't have the experience, you can actually lose your money by trading. So for someone who doesn't have experience, it's good to do something like this, which is risk-free while learning, and only after you learn, you can actually risk your capital in the markets in order to get higher return. By the way, if you are interested in learning how to trade, I suggest you go to our website satsincome.com. We have a free course which consists of 150 video lessons. Alright, all you gotta do is either click on the free course or right here, enter your name and email address, and you're gonna get access to the course. It consists of like 16 sections. You can learn a lot of things, right? So for example, here you can learn how to short. You can watch me doing it live on $150,000 account balance. You can learn all of these things in the course. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and if you wanna stay up to date with the best opportunities to make money in the crypto market, hit the subscribe button and the bell.